Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. After that, tap on I accept in the pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're finished, you need to click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, just set as live wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by choosing one of those options. So now when I click home button, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!